in topic 3, we're also going to talk about investing in an empowerment culture. So topic 3, operations, strategy, and managing performance. So how do we do that? Investing in an empowerment culture. Well, it's going to be part of the leadership style. So we need to be a coach. A leader is not a command and control boss. You're a coach. You want to teach people. So we have these 7 rights here. So get the right people, communicate the right expectations, provide the right training, measure the right things, reward the right behavior, support with the right resources, give them the right opportunity. So if you can do this and be a great coach, it's going to be so much easier for you to empower people. Because getting the right people and then telling them what your expectations are, you're going to communicate the right expectations, and then give them the training so they can accomplish those expectations. And then you have to measure those expectations. Because if they don't know if they've succeeded or failed, how can you modify your training? And then you reward if they've met that measure or not. And if they didn't, let's say, you want to get to that reward, you want to give them the right resources. If they have the right resources, there should be almost no reason why they can't meet your expectations, right? And give them the opportunity. They need the opportunity, whether they are successful or not. If they're successful, great. If they're not successful, well, evaluate what happened. Go over it with them. See if they realize, maybe they know exactly what happened, and they can tell you, hey, this is what happened. This is how I'm going to fix it so it doesn't happen again. Kind of like an after-action review. That would be an awesome way for an employee to be empowered, because now you have confidence that they will make the right decision the next time. So setting a goal. We need to confront 2 brutal facts. Where are we right now? What is our current status? And then how are we going to evolve to a higher level, or to where we want to be? Well, we have to remember 2 things when we're doing this. We don't punish failure. We learn from failure. And don't give up. It's really easy to give up when you fail. You say, screw this, I'm done. No. Learn from the failure. Analyze what happened. And then make some modifications and then try again. And hopefully you succeed. Now, if you fail again, do the same thing over. Analyze. Figure out what went wrong. And then try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So, another piece of the infrastructure for empowerment is communication. We need communication between the management and the people we empower. And we need teamwork. Everybody needs to work together, right? And we need to be able to have that free communication. That way, if something is going wrong, that empowerment also allows for people to reach out and say, I need help. Simple as that. However, it's one of the hardest things to do is say that you need help. But there's no penalty for it. If you recognize that you need assistance, most people will give it without a second thought. But everybody treats it like you're not capable or you'll never be capable. Well, everybody has to learn somehow, right? So we need to measure what we're trying to reach in our empowerment. So we have this phrase here: if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So if we can't measure our progress towards goals, well, you can't manage it. You don't know where you're at. You don't know how you're going to get there. How are you going to get there? So partner expectations, how are we going to manage that if we can't measure it? So we have to set a standard. Our sources of problems. We'll dive into this more in topic 6, 7, and 8, where we're going to go for quality management, when we're looking for the source of our problems by using control charts and such. But where is the problem? Identifying where that problem is starting, because if you can get the root cause of the problem, magically most of your problems are gone. Not all of them, but most of them are gone. So an empowerment culture, you want to empower your people. Remember those 7 rights. If you can give your people all of those, you're going to be successful and coach them like you would want to be coached. Be a teacher. Be a leader. Lead by example. If you can do all that, you should have a successful empowerment of your people.